welcome to everyone. My name is Sadhana Srivastav and today we're gonna discuss about noise pollution. So, what is noise pollution? Do you know? If you don't know, so please watch carefully. So, I have some examples. So let's start. What is noise pollution? Definition of noise pollution like that traffic. What comes under natural noise? What are man-made sounds? Am I adding to noise pollution? Do you listen to your television and music system so loudly? And at festivals like Diwali? First, try to talk to each other using the language so loudly. You will see the different effects of noise on the people around you. And if I talk what is the effect of noise pollution, so it's very harmful. Effects of noise pollution: irritation, nervousness, sleep disturbance, and increased blood pressure, increased stress. So please be care. And thank you so much for watching my video.